Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
A wet and windy into the weekend. This is a live look at Rittenhouse Square this evening. Many were keeping their umbrellas handy, but as the rain clears out, the winds are picking up. Grant Gilmore in for Andrew Kozak tonight. He's in the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere with more on tonight's windy weather. It sure did pick up in the last hour or so.
Oh yeah, it got crazy, Aziza. There was about an hour or two where I think a lot of people were going, I thought it was going to get windy today. You know, it was mild, temperatures in the upper 50s and lower 60s, and now those winds have really picked up, and it's getting a little concerning. We're starting to get some reports of some downed trees and some power outages across the area, and I expect these winds to continue as we go into the overnight. So we've got this next weather alert that's going to continue for us as we make our way into the overnight because of these gusty winds, and boy, is it going to get really gusty over the next few hours. These forecast wind gusts are going to be between 40 to maybe even approaching 70 miles per hour. And at times, you're going to probably hear those winds, and you might even hear some sounds that you're not used to hearing. So just know it's going to be a very windy night. As we go into early tomorrow morning, the wind gusts will stay gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour, and we could likely see those gusts stay up to or maybe even 40 to 50 miles per hour at times through the first half of the day tomorrow. By around 8 or 9 o'clock, those wind gusts will begin to die down, but it will stay gusty through Monday night. It just won't be as severe, I think we could say, as we go into the day on Tuesday. So next weather alert that continues into the day tomorrow. Let me show you what we have going on across there, because we started the day with a lot of rainfall, right? I mean, it was periods of heavy rain, and we're still dealing with a couple of showers across the region, and the cooler air is starting to move in from the north and west. This is a radar loop over the last 3 hours. We had that band of rain. Temperatures in Philly now have cooled into the 40s. We peaked in the upper 50s. Even some of you to the south had high temperatures in the 60s, but now the rain's moving out. The colder air is moving in, and you can really feel that Arctic air as it literally rushes in from the west northwest as we go into the evening hours. Look at these high temperatures across the area today. Philly was at 59, Millville 62, Dover got to 66 degrees. The warm air didn't quite make it to the north and west before that cold Arctic air started to rush in to the area. Now, this is a live view. This is not a time lapse, but look at the clouds. Look how quickly those clouds are moving across the area. If you look outside tonight, you'll see just how strong those winds are as they move those clouds across the sky, as it ushers in that drier air. And we will start to dry out, but still some of those areas that are working with some residual water from the rain today, we could see some black ice from that, because look at this cold air that's coming in. We're at 47 in Philly right now. Pittsburgh's at 27 degrees. Green Bay is at 18. We've got temperatures below zero in North Dakota. We're not going to get that cold, but it is going to get bitterly cold, especially with those gusty winds into the day tomorrow. Your Monday, temperatures feeling like the teens for most of the day. We'll start Tuesday morning with temperatures feeling like the single digits. So the cold air is here to stay, and that will set the stage for the storm system as it moves out of the Gulf or the Gulf later on this week. It's going to move into that cold air mass, and the track of this low is ultimately going to determine what we see. It looks like we do see some snow. We're still uncertain, though, on the exact track of this storm system. If it tracks a little farther north, that means more snow. A little farther south, maybe not as much snow. Here's the 7-day forecast here. As we go into the new week, it's going to be cold. A big change. Temperatures only climbing into the 20s for the next couple of afternoons. There's our chance of snow on Thursday before more sunshine and temperatures begin to moderate as we go through the weekend into Sunday with highs back up to 45.